Welcome back to another MobileSentrix tips and tricks. My name is Derek, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 tools that I think that you'll find very useful. The first tool is fairly small. It's this little clamp here. Now this clamp is designed to help realign and clamp in position when repairing Face ID issues on the newer models. One of the most difficult parts of that repair, apart from every part of it, is lining everything up perfectly so that it works. This clamp makes that so much easier. The second tool I want to talk about is something that I found useful for all of my tweezers. Over time, as you may have experienced, tweezer tips tend to bend, warp, distort. They become hard to use. This sanding block allows for quick realignment and repair of tweezer tips. Here you can see I've got these tweezers that are fairly bent, and the tips don't line up, and they're hard to use. You can't grab components correctly when soldering, especially when we're trying to pick up things that are super small. And only after a few minutes of reshaping the tips of these tweezers with the 2 different sides of this tool, you can see the results. And here I have another set of tweezers. They're a little bit more bulky. You can see how I'm able to take them and turn them into tweezers that I could actually use for micro soldering. The third tool, or should I say set of tools, is this new set of screwdrivers that I'm actually starting to favor over all of the others. They have really nice bearings, they fit comfortably in the hand, and the base is like a big fidget spinner, and overall they're super good quality. So those are just a few of the new tools that I wanted to share with you today. If there's any tools on MobileSentrix.com that you'd like to see demonstrated, leave a comment below. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.